Well, sources are telling your channel that the CBI is to start questioning suspects mentioned in the preliminary inquiry of the Augusta Westland deal. The FIR is to be registered only if the CBI gets evidence of a bribe and the money trail, of course. Poonam is joining us with more details. Poonam, so it seems that the CBI does have a go-ahead in this case.
Well, of course, CBI is saying that after registering the preliminary inquiry, they are going to question all the suspects, the 11 people who have been named in this particular preliminary inquiry, and only after questioning them will they be in a situation to register an FIR. But what is very important to note here is that CBI still doesn't have the most important evidence in this case, that is the bribe money trail. They are saying that the money trail of this bribe, which has apparently been allegedly been transferred to the Indian public servant, that evidence is still in the Italy court, and they have not been able to lay their hands on it. So unless they get those evidences, they will not be in a situation to really register the FIR. But what again they are saying that through questioning all the suspects in the preliminary inquiry, they will certainly corroborate all the evidences and then decide whether they have enough evidence to actually register an FIR, because money trail is the most important thing to be looked at in this case. What they are also saying that after they register the FIR, after completing the preliminary inquiry, they will send a letter rogatory to Italian government to get access to the evidences that they have. So right now, what CBI is saying, it's a tough case because there isn't much evidence for them to register an FIR. That's why they went for the preliminary inquiry. And also questioning all the suspects is also tough for them because most of them are based abroad, like Christian Michael, Orsi, and other middlemen. They are not based in India. So getting an access to them would also be difficult for CBI.
In fact, that was my next question to you, Poonam. Considering that a lot of the suspects are going to be based out of Italy, how difficult is it going to be for the CBI to actually proceed the investigation and do the questioning?
Well, the first thing is what we need to check is that what CBI sources are saying, that questioning all the 11 suspects is very important for them to move ahead in the investigation. Now they are saying that questioning these people would be certainly very difficult because Orsi is being arrested by the Italian government. Christian Michael's detail is still not with the CBI. Some people are saying that he's based in London. Some others are saying that he's in Dubai. So tracking these people who are not based in India would again be very difficult for them. And also they need to find out the channel, whether they have to go through Ministry of External Affairs to get hold of them, or whether the person is ready to divulge information to the Indian investigating agency. These are the things which would certainly act as a hurdle for CBI. But again, CBI is saying that questioning these people would be very crucial for them to get hold of the entire money trail, because money trail clearly shows that it has come through different countries and through different middlemen. So questioning these people would certainly be very important for CBI.
Thanks for those details, Poonam.